Hi everyone, it's Anne here. Today we're going to talk about something incredibly difficult, losing a partner. When you're grieving, the last thing you want to worry about is finances. But there are essential things you need to take care of for yourself and your children. In Canada, we have resources to help families during these times. One of the most important is the Canada Child Benefit, or CCB. This program provides financial assistance to families with children under 18. So let's walk through this together, step by step. The first step is obtaining multiple certified copies of your partner's death certificate. You'll need these for almost every government and financial process moving forward. The funeral home can usually provide you with several copies. If not, contact your provincial or territorial vital statistics office. It's better to have too many than to order more later on. You'll use these copies for banking, insurance, government benefits, and more. Keep these death certificates in a safe and accessible place. Consider creating a designated folder or binder to keep everything organized. Take your time, breathe, and let's move on to the next step when you're ready. Now that you have the death certificates, start notifying the relevant government agencies. This includes Service Canada, the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, and your provincial or territorial health and insurance programs. For Service Canada, report your partner's death to update records for benefits like the Canada Pension Plan, CPP, and Old Age Security, OAS. For the CRA, inform them of the death to update tax records and benefits like the CCB. If your partner was receiving the CCB, their account will be stopped. You'll need to reapply as the surviving parent or guardian. Finally, notify your provincial or territorial health and insurance programs. This ensures your coverage remains active and you're not billed for services you're no longer eligible for. Applying for the CCB is essential for receiving financial assistance for your children. If you weren't already receiving the benefit, or if it was under your partner's name, you'll need to apply as the primary caregiver. To apply online, log into your CRA My account and click on Apply for Child Benefits. You'll be guided through steps to enter your child's information, update your marital status to widowed, and submit the application. If you prefer to apply by mail, download Form RC66 from the CRA website. Fill out the form, attach necessary documents, and mail it to the tax center in your province. The sooner you apply, the sooner you can start receiving payments. In addition to the Canada Child Benefit, you may be eligible for other federal and provincial benefits. One crucial benefit is the Canada Pension Plan Survivor's Benefit, which provides monthly payments to the surviving spouse or common law partner of a deceased CPP contributor. If you have dependent children, you may also be eligible for the Canada Pension Plan Children's Benefit. Depending on your province or territory, you may qualify for provincial family benefits or other financial assistance programs. These programs vary by location, so contact your provincial or territorial government for more information. Don't be afraid to apply for any and all benefits you think you might qualify for. Now, let's talk about updating your financial and legal documents. Start with the essentials: bank accounts, utility bills, and credit cards. Contact each provider and inform them of your partner's passing. You'll likely need to provide a copy of the death certificate to close joint accounts and open new ones in your name. If you owned property together, update the ownership records. Check if your partner had life insurance policies or a pension plan with a survivor benefit. Contact the insurance company or pension provider to initiate the claims process. Don't hesitate to seek professional help from a lawyer, financial advisor, or estate planner if you need guidance. You'll need to file a final tax return for the year your partner passed away. This return covers income earned up to the date of death. Gather all relevant income slips, receipts, and documents. The CRA website provides comprehensive information on filing a final return. Once the final return is filed, the CRA will assess any taxes owing or refunds due. Keep in mind that your benefits, like the CCB, may be adjusted based on your new family income level. Filing a tax return after a loss can feel overwhelming. Don't hesitate to reach out to a tax professional for assistance. Navigating the financial and legal complexities after the loss of a partner is never easy. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. A financial advisor can help you create a budget, manage your investments, and plan for your family's future. If your partner had a will, a lawyer can guide you through the probate process and ensure their wishes are carried out. They can also assist with any legal issues related to property, debts, or other assets. Consider seeking support from a therapist or grief counselor to help you process your emotions and navigate this challenging time. I know this is a lot to take in, especially during such a difficult time, but I hope this guide has given you a clearer understanding of the steps you need to take to secure financial support for yourself and your children. Remember, you're not alone. Lean on your support network, reach out to professionals when needed, and be kind to yourself throughout this process. It's okay to take things one day at a time. Thanks for watching, and please take care.